Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using MeMD. MeMD is a fascinating tool designed to help you harness the power of spaced repetition for effective memorization. Think of it as a digital flashcard system, but with a smart twist. MeMD leverage algorithms to optimize your review schedule, ensuring you revisit information just as you're about to forget it. This strategic timing maximizes retention and minimizes wasted study time. One of the standout features of MeMD is its seamless integration with Rome Research. This connection allows you to effortlessly transfer your notes and ideas from Rome directly into MeMD, transforming them into flashcards for review. Imagine turning your Rome database, brimming with knowledge and insights, into a personalized learning powerhouse. It's an incredibly efficient way to solidify your understanding of any topic you're exploring within Rome. Beyond the Rome integration, MeMD boasts a user-friendly interface that's both intuitive and visually appealing. Creating and managing your flashcards is a breeze, whether you're working on a desktop or mobile device. The platform also offers various customization options, letting you tailor the appearance and functionality to your specific preferences. Whether you're a student cramming for exams, a professional seeking to master new skills, or simply an avid learner looking to expand your knowledge base, MeMD provides a valuable tool for enhancing your memory and learning process. Its integration with Rome Research unlocks a powerful synergy, allowing you to leverage the strengths of both platforms for a truly optimized learning experience. So, if you're keen on maximizing your learning potential, give MeMD a try and see how it can transform your approach to knowledge acquisition and retention. Explore the link in the description below to learn more.